gozaimasu, mga ka-Ferdivas. I'm here in Nagoya. So, it's my time off. So, iikot muna tayo sa mall kasi day off natin. Tara! Yes, mga Ferdivas, gagala kami today. Nandito ako sa Ana Crown, Nagoya. So yun, maraming tao dito sa lobby. Maaga pa, kuya? Hindi, mamaya pa sila. Kasama ko si kuya. Ayan. Mamaya pa sila eh. Ito yung Ana Crown, A&A Crown Hotel, Crown Plaza. Sa Crown Plaza. Ito sa Nagoya. Ito yung aming hotel lobby. Ayan. Maraming tao ngayon. So, hinintay lang namin yung shuttle to go to Aeon Mall kasi free shuttle siya. So, yun. Mag-iikot lang kami doon. At yes, samahan niyo ako today. It's my time off. 10 finish already naman yan. Okay. So, ayun na yung schedule. 10:25 daw kami. Marami daw seats. So, yes, we'll wait here in Kanamayan Station with Kuya. Free shuttle kasi siya papuntang Aeon Mall. So, 10:25 pa daw kami maghihintay. Wala na daw seats. Puno. Kasi first yun eh. Okay lang, malilim naman. Okay. Ayan na yung bus namin. Dumating na yung bus namin. Ayan na yung bus. Ang ganda ng bus nila. Bumababa yung bus nila para hindi siya mataas masyado yung bus. This is the bus. Going to Aeon Mall. Ayan na. Kuya, kasabay ko dito. Day off namin. Ay sa mga family namin sa Philippines. Wala pa sila at maribig mamaya pa daw na pumunta. Ay, dugo. Nandito kami sa free shuttle. Ito, Aeon Mall. Aeon Mall. Diba, Aeon Mall. Ayan, bababa na kami sa mall. Siyempre, may namin mga seniors. Ayan, nabababa na kami. O, di ba nakababa pa talaga yung bus. Ito yung niya, pick up niya. Sa likod lang. Ayan, no, nakalagay pick up. On that side, pila ka lang doon. Turo ko, kuya. Kasi meron kaming drop off dito at may pick up din. So, ganito dito sa Japan. May pa-pick up ka.
Pick up to.
May drop off ka. Ibabagsak kang ganyan. Ayan, sabi, pick up. Ayun dito, kuya, ang pick up. Yes, dito. Ayun lang, andun lang, oh. Nakalagay doon na pink. Ayun, nakalagay pick up. Pila ka lang doon. Ayun. Diba? Ganito sa Japan, ang mall. Napunta kami sa loob dahil day off namin. Kana dumating ng Kanayama Station. Ayan. Ayan na ang mall dito sa Japan. Itong grocery nila. Sa Aeon, ang laki. Yeah. Sige, bye-bye kuya. Enjoy. Bye-bye. Nandito tayo sa mall. Tara, punta tayo kasi off ka. Punta tayo na. Uniqlo. Sino pa ba? You know what, mga Ferdivas, my favorite clothing brand here in Japan is Uniqlo. One of my favorite brands here is Uniqlo. You know why? Kasi it's summer and then they have a summer sale like more than 70% off. So, marami akong bet na mga dress here. Kaya, Spanish yung sundress dito sa Uniqlo and other clothing dito sa Uniqlo. So, this is Uniqlo now. I love it. There's a big sale here. Tara, pasok tayo sa loob. It's Uniqlo na. Okay. Uniqlo, like 500. Yan lang, mga sale nila. Maganda ang sale nila ngayon. Wow! What's this one? Mahal. 2,000 yen. From this. You know what guys, here in Japan, sa KFC dito sa Japan, walang gravy. So itong ano ko, 2-piece chicken with fries is around 890 yen. So yun, wala siyang price. Kaya I just have my ketchup with me. Walang choice. Ganun. Kahit na gusto ko yung gravy in the Philippines, wala. Anywhere you go, sa Philippines lang yata may gravy. Comment down below if other countries they have gravy siya. Or actually. Let's eat. It's my lunch and breakfast all in one.
Yummy. Yummy. Yummy.
See? Yes, Maka-for Divas ang silver Aeon Mall dito sa Nagoya, and medyo napahinga lang ako ngayon kasi panay window shopping at medyo punta ko sa ukay-ukay. Ayan. Ang aking Disneyland here in Japan. At saka, it's my time off and I just want to have my me time for now. And wala akong mga co-workers o mga colleagues ko. Kanya-kanya kaming lakad ko today. So, yun. So, dito lang ako siguro buong araw. And ikot-ikot lang. And just enjoy my me time. Okay? So, I'll keep you posted, guys. Bye! Yes, Maka-for Divas, it's around 2:30 at nagutom ako sa kakamalling dito dahil day off ko. I'm still here at Aeon Mall sa food court nila. So I ordered here a Meat Express. It's around 7:50 with drinks na siya. Ayan, parang siyang rice bowl. Ayan, kain tayo ulit. Gutom ako, and nakita ko dito, 760 lang siya with drinks na parang rice bowl meal siya. Meat Express. So, dito tayo ngayon kumain dyan sa Meat Express. Dyan tayo na-order. So, kain tayo. Rice meal. Para siyang yakiniku na beef. Para siyang beef steak. So, kain tayo. I'm so hungry again.
Yummy. Yummy.
May drinks na po. 760 diba? Cheap lang. Rap. Mas magastos nga pag day off ko eh. Ayun ka. May makikita ka. Bibili mo. And it's me time. And I just want to eat, relax, enjoy my time off. This is what I do whenever I have my time off here in Japan. You can see me in the mall. You can see me at the mall most of the time. Roaming around because it's too hot outside, so I might as well stay inside the mall to cool down. Magastos. Happy too. Kakain tayo. Inari steak. So we're gonna eat steak for today's video because it's my day off and I just wanna eat steak and yeah. Sarap ng kanilang steak. Oh my gosh, na-miss ko to dito. Meron din naman. So, I got the 180 grams. It's around 2,000 yen. Affordable na yung kasama na pang set for the lunch. Hindi man ako nag-approve. Okay na yan.
Yummy.
Baba.
Yummy.
It's my time off. I just want to eat a good meal. I want steak today. It's just around 2,000 yen. It's for me, it's okay. A little pricey though for a meal, pero ito naman sa dito food. Good food. We're in Nagoya, Japan. This lunch will include salad, soup, which is really, really good. Tasteful.
Yummy. Yummy.
And a large
Yummy.
rice. So, rice is life for me. Sarap. Vegetables. Sweet yung carrots. Broccoli. Another broccoli. So oily. So sarap. I'm happy for my time off, Nori. Good meal. Usually, we just eat in 7-Eleven, convenience store when we are working. In Japan, ngayon time off ko. And we're here in Nagoya, so try naman once in a while, let's pamper ourselves. Good meal, paminsan-minsan. Sarap. Sarap. Oishi. I have the 180 grams. This is so dami. This is good for me, no? Because I eat a lot. Oishi. I like the lidded one, the ones with the fat. I like with the fat. With fat. Like
Yummy.
this.
Yummy.
Tingnan mo yung fat nila, guys.
Yummy.
I have the medium rare. Nadugo-dugo pa. Sarap. Okay. Ang sarap ng soup. Super happy with my meal. As in, super happy with my meal.
Yummy. Yummy. Yummy.
Sarap. Steak. Minsan lang naman ako mag-steak. Not all the time. Since we're here in Japan, we try a Kinari steak. Tapos, yun fish. Love it. I still have my salad with me, so I'll pick with that one. I finished everything. Super sarap. Aishi. I give this steak, ikinari steak, 5 spoons. Super sarap. Yes, mga for divas, uwi na tayo ngayon. So, dito tayo ngayon sa Aeon. Pick up ng bus station dito sa Kanayama. So, nandito tayo sa Kanayama Station. Ayan, sa Kanayama Station. Hintay lang natin yung bus natin. Pila na tayo. Ayan, pila na tayo for Kanayama. Ayan, I had a great day. Me time, so uwi na tayo sa hotel. Medyo hindi masyado mainit ngayon. At it's a fine weather, so yung rain pa rin. Summer here in Japan, so hindi na natin yung shuttle bus. Here's my leaving. Day off namin ngayon. Nagkita kami dito sa free shuttle bus. Pauwi na kami ng hotel, so it's gonna take us like 5 to 10 minutes lang. O, di ba, libreng shuttle. Ayan, nag-grocery siya. Ako naman, ayan, di ba? Grocery siya. Kumain kami sa labas. Kanya-kanya kaming lakad pag day off namin. Me time, no? Me time talaga. And then we meet up na lang kung anong napamili. Anong activities namin. So, she's my roommate. So, for sure, magkwentuhan kami. No? Back to reality. It's okay, one day lang me time kami, kain sa labas. Twice ako kumain sa labas.
Steak ako.
Sarap. Ako naman nag-KFC, pati yung Meat Express. Para siyang 760 lang pati. 816 KFC. Kaya budget lang, friendly lang yung food ko. Kasi last week wala siya. So okay, nag-stage. Ayun, I'll see you. Dito nagtatapos ang aming a day in my life here in Nagoya off namin. So we spend it well spent we spend it very very good. Na-enjoy kami. What happened? Yes, nandito na kami sa shuttle. Tapos na. Pinan kami sa hotel namin. Dito tayo sa gitna para makuhaan ko yung hotel. Ah, diba? Yan ang hotel namin. Anong name ng hotel natin? Crown? Crown Ana Hotel. Medyo mahangin ngayon at majinit. Pero buti na sinamaan ako na aking kumarikit ayaw niyo mainit. Kasi sabi ko dito kami dadaan sa main entrance ng aming hotel. We'll show you our hotel here in Nagoya sa Kanayama Station. Ayan, Crown Plaza. ANA Crown Plaza. Ang arte ko magsalita, no? Ayun, reset. Diba? Dito tayo sa Ana Crown Plaza, the Hotel Grand Court, Nagoya. Okay, we're here at ANA Crown Plaza Hotel. This is our hotel here in Nagoya. This is our lobby. Napakabango ng lobby namin. Ayan. Papasok na tayo. Okay, here we go. Get na tayo. And that's me. Hello. That's me. Okay na. Okay na. Nakauwi na tayo ng maayos. I'll show you our room. 10th floor, medyo nakakabingi. It's one of the nicest hotel I ever been. It's my first time here. Tingnan mo aming aming nice. This is our hotel room. Ayan, 2 twin beds. Ayan, may TV kami dito. Ayan, pack. This is our hotel room dito sa Crown Plaza, the Grand Crown Plaza here in Nagoya. Ayan, nandito kami ngayon. For 2 weeks kami dito. Ayan, day off namin. And masaya. Kasi lumabas kami. Kumain sa labas. Ha? Okay. Sorry, bed. Very comfortable. Malaki rin yung room natin, no? Malaki rin namin. Okay.